Hello everyone and welcome back to Navigate School Assembly News. Today is 10 July 2026 and here are the top headlines for the day. Let's begin with the national news. National news. PM Narendra Modi attended the 3rd India-Australia Annual Summit in Melbourne and held delegation-level talks with Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese. The IMD has issued heavy rain alerts for parts of northwest India. Widespread rainfall is expected across Delhi, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh over the coming days. International news. Super Typhoon Maisak is bringing heavy rain and flooding to parts of central China. Authorities have issued warnings as another storm is expected to approach the region soon. India and Australia signed a landmark nuclear energy agreement to facilitate the supply of Australian uranium to India. Karnataka State News. Karnataka has extended full support to Operation Tufan, an anti-narcotics initiative. Southern state DGPs are meeting to strengthen coordination against drug trafficking. Sports news. Indian tennis player Arnav Paparkar made history by becoming the first Indian player in 36 years to reach the Wimbledon quarterfinals. Thought of the day. Peace is not the absence of conflict, but the ability to handle conflict by peaceful means. Ronald Reagan. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Jai Hind.